Welcome to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the world of slit skirts, one of the most versatile and elegant pieces you can have in your wardrobe. Slit skirts are perfect for adding a touch of sophistication, sensuality, and modernity to any outfit. They can be styled in numerous ways to fit various occasions, from casual day outings to glamorous evening events. In this video, we will explore different ways to style slit skirts. There are some share some tips on how to choose the right one for your body type and offer inspiration for creating stunning looks. Slit skirts come in various styles, lengths, and materials, each offering a unique look. The slit can be positioned at the side, front, or back and can range from a subtle opening to a daring high slit. The key to mastering slit skirt outfits is balancing the boldness of the slit with the rest of your ensemble. When selecting a slit skirt, consider the following factors. Midi and maxi slit skirts offer a more elegant and defined look, while mini slit skirts are great for flirty and playful vibe. Fabrics like satin and chiffon provide a luxurious feel, whereas denim and cotton are perfect for casual, everyday wear. Side slits are classic and versatile. Front slits can create a dramatic effect, and black slits add a more subtle yet sexy touch. In short, the skirt fits well around your waist and hips to enhance your silhouette. A-line and wrap skirts are flattering for most body types. Start with the flowing midi slit skirt in a lightweight fabric like cotton or linen. Pair it with a simple white t-shirt tucked in for a clean and effortless look. Add a pair of white sneakers for comfort and style. Accessorize with a straw hat and a crossbody bag for a perfect casual day outfit. This look is ideal for running errands, a day at the park, or a casual brunch with friends. A denim slit skirt is a versatile piece that can be styled in many ways. Pair a mid-length slit skirt with a tucked-in graphic tee for a relaxed and trendy look. Add some edge with ankle boots and a leather jacket. Finish the outfit with a pair of Aviator sunglasses and a statement necklace. This ensemble is great for casual outings and daytime adventures. For a polished office look, opt for a high-waisted pencil skirt with a side slit. Pair it with a fitted blouse in a complementary colors. Choose classic pumps and a structured tote bag to complete a professional ensemble. Add some delicate jewelry like stud earrings and a thin bracelet to maintain a sophisticated appearance. This outfit is perfect for business meetings and formal office environments. Combine a knee-length slit skirt with a tucked-in button-down shirt for a modern take on office wear. Choose neutral colors like black, navy, or grey for a sleek look. Add a pair of pointed toe flats or low heels for comfort. Accessorize with a slim belt to cinch your waist and a minimalist watch. This look strikes the right balance between professionalism and contemporary style. For a night out, choose a satin or silk slit skirt in a bold color like red or crop top or a bodysuit. Add some high-heeled sandals and a clutch bag to elevate the look. Layer on statement jewelry like chandelier earrings and a chunky bracelet to add glamour. This outfit is perfect for date nights, parties, or a glamorous evening event. A black maxi slit skirt is a timeless piece for an evening look. Pair it with a sequined or embellished top for a touch of sparkle. Add strappy heels and a metallic clutch for added sophistication. Accessorize with bold, dramatic makeup and a sleek hairstyle. In the summer, opt for a lightweight maxi slit skirt and a vibrant color or pattern. Slit skirts are a versatile and stylish addition to any wardrobe, whether you are dressing for a casual day out, a professional setting, a glamorous evening, or a weekend adventure. There is a slit skirt outfit for every occasion. Thank you for joining us on the fashion journey at Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope you feel inspired to experiment with slit skirts and incorporate them to your wardrobe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips, styling guides, and beauty inspiration. Stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.